Welcome to New Models of Business and Society. It's a really exciting time to be involved in business today. There's lots of change going on all around the world. More and more people are becoming entrepreneurs. More and more people are becoming involved in business and inventing lots of ways to make a business successful, from small businesses to very large businesses. And I believe, at least, that you can make a difference. We're going to explore some of these new models of business in this course. I've got the best job in the world. I have a great team here at Darden, and we've spent a lot of years trying to understand how business works in society. I've been able to travel all over the world to see businesses, again, large and small, and I want to share with you the experiences that I've had. We're going to talk about why the current way we understand business, which I'm going to call the current story or the current narrative, is mistaken and how it can be improved. And best of all, we're going to explore how you can begin to figure out a new business idea that both makes money and makes the world a better place. And if you don't want to start a business, if that's not your thing, we'll help you figure out how you can make a difference as an individual, as a customer, as an employee, as an investor, or a community member. So the overview of the course roughly goes like this. In this first week, we're going to talk about what the problem is with the current story of business and why it's no longer appropriate in the 21st century. In week 2, we're going to talk about some new models of business and society that are partial solutions. Models like corporate social responsibility and corporate philanthropy and shared value. How those don't quite go all the way, but how there's still good ways to think about business. In week 3, we're going to talk about the environment as a driver of a new way to think about business. In week 4, we're going to develop a more comprehensive idea about the role of business in society. We're going to think about stakeholder theory and conscious capitalism. And in week 5, we're going to focus on how to develop a business idea that makes money, makes the world better, and to summarize where we've been. There are lots of ways to learn something in this course, and I'd like to challenge you to learn on 4 levels. The first level is just to watch the videos. My team and I have tried to put together some information which I'll do my best to convey to you that'll help you think differently about business. The second level is not only to watch the videos, but to participate along. I'll ask lots of questions which I want you to think about. Sometimes we might ask you to do a survey at the end that gives us your answers. If you participate in that, you'll learn more. Third, we've organized discussion forums, and there'll be lots of what I'm going to call engagement questions, questions to talk about in the discussion forums. My team and I will be participating in these forums, and the more you participate, the more you'll make this experience better for everyone, including us. And fourth, you can do some of the suggested readings. There aren't any mandatory readings for the course, but there'll be lots of suggested readings, and I want to encourage you to do as much of that as you have time. The more you participate, the more you engage, the more you'll get out of this. Okay, enough of all this. Let's have some fun, starting with the next video.